Hello and welcome. If you love the character of steampunk but live in a minimalist home, you might wonder, can the two truly coexist? The answer is yes, when done with restraint. Today we're exploring how to introduce subtle steampunk elements into a clean, modern space, without making it feel heavy, cluttered, or theatrical. Before adding any steampunk influence, the foundation must remain minimalist. Clean lines, neutral tones, warm whites, soft grays, muted browns. Open space that allows each object to stand with intention. Steampunk works best not as a theme, but as an accent. When the base is calm and uncluttered, even one industrial-inspired piece can feel powerful. Steampunk is rooted in metal, brass, copper, iron. But in a minimalist home, less is essential. Consider a brushed brass lamp, a slim iron-framed mirror, cabinet handles in aged bronze. These touches add depth without overwhelming the room. The key is refinement, not excess. Lighting is one of the easiest and most realistic ways to introduce steampunk character. An Edison bulb pendant, a wall sconce with visible hardware, a table lamp with exposed filament detail. When surrounded by minimalist space, the lighting becomes sculptural, a conversation piece rather than clutter. Steampunk thrives on contrast, raw meets refined. In minimalist homes, this can be expressed through warm wood tones paired with subtle metal. A wooden coffee table with iron legs. Open shelving with dark brackets. The balance between organic and mechanical keeps the design grounded and livable. Avoid turning your home into a museum of gears and gadgets. Instead, choose one or two meaningful pieces. A vintage-style clock, a small mechanical sculpture, a leather-bound journal placed intentionally on a shelf. In minimalist design, restraint gives each object presence. Traditional steampunk leans dark, deep browns, heavy coppers, dramatic shadows. But for a minimalist home, soften the palette. Mix warm beige, taupe, soft charcoal, and muted bronze. Allow natural light to stay dominant. The result feels inspired, not theatrical. Rather than adding intricate decoration, focus on texture. Smooth leather, matte metal finishes, natural linen paired with aged brass. Texture creates depth without visual noise. It allows steampunk to whisper instead of shout. The most realistic way to implement steampunk in a minimalist home is through functional design. A desk with industrial detailing, a metal-framed bookshelf, hardware that feels engineered yet elegant. When pieces serve a purpose, the aesthetic feels natural, not forced. Gears are iconic in steampunk design, but in a minimalist home, they should never feel crowded or chaotic. Instead of covering walls with mechanical motifs, choose one statement piece: a single oversized gear mounted as sculptural wall art, a framed vintage mechanical diagram in black and white, or a modern abstract artwork subtly inspired by industrial forms. When surrounded by clean walls and negative space, the gear transforms from decoration into sculpture. It becomes a quiet tribute to craftsmanship, not a theatrical display. If a large statement piece feels overwhelming, introduce mechanical elements in smaller, functional ways. A clock with exposed gears, cabinet handles inspired by industrial valves, a desk organizer made of aged metal. These details are subtle, often noticed only up close, and that's what makes them powerful. They reward attention without demanding it. Steampunk doesn't have to be dramatic to be meaningful. When paired with minimalism, it becomes refined, a quiet nod to craftsmanship, history, and industrial beauty. Start small. Choose thoughtfully. Let contrast create character. If you enjoyed this blend of styles, subscribe for more creative interior ideas, and share how you would add a subtle steampunk touch to your space.